Latest on transfer news, amathuma amaningi ayathenga yabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Ngibona bafethu uvane lo so namhlanje ngizoqala nje ngeindaba regarding umdlali obekade edlalela iOrlando Pirates aphinde ke adlalele iMamelodi Sundowns okuba na okuThembi Inkosi Lodge. Remember uThembi Inkosi Lodge, he was heavily linked with iclub yakuphi na iclub yase Morocco le sayine bani na uTseho Faso Mabasa yaphinde ke yasayina Devin Titus lo qhamuka kuStelis. Ukuthiwa ke uThembi Inkosi Lodge utravelile waya khona eMorocco eyokhuluma nayo le club le. Kodwa ke ipotential move yakhe ukuthi ke ayijoine le club ivele yacollapse lapho ke ama terms akhe with yona le club le abawamithanga yabo ama personal terms. Umjida ke bamnikeze ioffer encane, isalary yakhe yokuthi ke ayihole incane compared to what he earns le eLibya. Yabo wabona ukuthi ke umjida wakwathi ke ajoine le club le kumele abuyelele kwiAl Ittihad Tripoli. Nje sikhuluma nje umjida ke he is currently training with the Al Ittihad Tripoli njengamanje. Ndike kuthiwa lama links akhe with iKaizer Chiefs awasilo iqiniso uma ke umjida ke ejima njengamanje with Al Ittihad Tripoli. And ke ama prizes ukuthi ke ahole, I don't think iKaizer Chiefs ibizwe kwathi ke iwa reach lawo ma prizes, but ke anything can happen. iKaizer Chiefs isengakwathi ke ikhuthuze lapho ikhuthuza khona ikhiphe imali offerishe uThembi Inkosi Lodge kuyena ke umjida ukuthi ke ngabe uyafuna yini ke ukuza la eSouth Africa. Kodwa ke njengamanje umjida ke useLibya, le club le yakuphi na yaseMorocco ihlulekile ukuthi ke i-reach agreement yakhe ukuthi ke bamsayine umjida as their new attacker. You can tell me in the comments regarding i-situation yakhe uThembi Inkosi Lodge. Do you think umjida kumele ayijoin iKaizer Chiefs noma ke kumele aqhubeke ahlalele eLibya aqhubeke adle imali? Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu, umdlali odlalela eSikhukhune United, the player that I highly rate okuyi left back okuvuyo letlapa, underrated this player kuthiwa ke umjida ufunwa yini na, ufunwa iRaja Casablanca. Abayaziyo ke iRaja Casablanca bafethu ke iclub le yale eMorocco edlala ngempela. So le club ke labafethu ifuna ukusayina lo mjida lo. Kuthiwa ke le deal le isengaconclude, umjida ke kungenzeka angadlali against Orlando Pirates njengoba eyodlala nje ama semi-finals eMTN Unit yabo. So le deal le may be concluded before i-weekend. So ngimfisela inhlanhla ke uvuyo letlapa if le deal le ikwazi ngempela ukuthi ke isebenze, umjida ke ahambe ayodla imali le eMorocco. Ngiyayithanda ke izinto ezenzakalayo, ngisazoqhubeka ngikusho lokho bafethu. iSouth Africa iloke ikhiqiza italente, these surrounding teams komanye amazwe ayabona ukuthi ke ikhona ku-PSL, ikhona into ekhona ku-Betway Premiership. It seems like there are many teams who are scouting, who are watching iBetway Premiership. So ibhola nebhola, if you are a player who plays ibhola, kumele wenze sure ukuthi ke udlala kahle, because you will never know who is watching. Nangu uvuyo liklapa, uvuyo liklapa nje amanje useyodlala le kwiRaja Casablanca. kwiRaja Casablanca isondelene nani na, isondelene neSpain. So ama Spanish scouts ayaya laphana kuleya league le yaseMorocco ayobheka abadlali abasengabasayina. They may find a player like uvuyo liklapa bamsayina umjida ke as ama Spanish teams ekhona bamsayene ayele Europe. So ngimfisela inhlanhla umjida ngathi ke angaqhubeka adlale kahle neminyaka futhi ke isengakuyena. Kwezinye indaba eziphumile bafethu, uThabiso Kutumela lo obeyi free agent umjida ke usejoine iMarumo Gallants. Umjida ke nje ujoina nje uzosayina nje a 2-year contract with the option yokuthi ke a-extend uma nje edlala kahle kuyona nje iMarumo Gallants. Ngimfisela inhlanhla ke bafethu uThabiso Kutumela. Previously he was playing for AmaZulu, currently umjida ke bengenayo club, so imtholile ke imtholile le club le iMarumo Gallants. I think ubedlalela eCape Town City if I'm not mistaken. Yes, not AmaZulu. I think he was released by AmaZulu and he joined the Cape Town City. I may be wrong, you may remind me in the comments, because seems like umjida ever since he left the Mamelodi Sundowns he has been up and down, go Richards Bay, go AmaZulu, go Cape Town City. So he has been up and down yena ngempela ezame thola iclub esengayidlalela yabo. Iminyaka yona isihambile, but ke nje sayina 2-year with iMarumo Gallants le top uzofike adlale kahle ayisize iMarumo Gallants. Kwezinye indaba eziphumile, iHope FC im-announcile umdlali wayo omusha okuba na ukusamkelo Zwane oqhamuka kwi-loan eqhamuka kwinina eqhamuka kwiKaizer Chiefs. Izola I did a video regarding iKaizer Chiefs, iconfirm ukuthi ke they have loaned their youngsters kuma clubs ahlukahlukene, and ke uZwane is one of that youngster eloniwe kuyona iHope FC edlala le kwiMotsepe Foundation. Kwezinye indaba eziphumile, uBongani Zungu kuthiwa ke he is on the verge of joining a club yale eIndia. Le club ke labafethu ibizwa ngani na, ngile Malappuram FC yabo, idlala kwi-Indian Super League. remember ke umjida ke he was recently released by AmaZulu. I wouldn't say released, so ke i-contract yakhe ayirenewanga with AmaZulu. So uBongani Zungu ke naye ke he's one of those players abazohamba bayodlala le overseas eIndia. But ke regarding ileague yase-India, it's not a well-known league le i-Indian Super League. But ke if umjida ke njengobongani Zungu ehambe eyodlala khona, it seems like bam-offerishe imali yangempela. It seems like the Indian scouts, they were here in South Africa scouting ibhola la khona la eSouth Africa, yabo. It seems like they liked what they saw kuyena uBongani Zungu, so they spoke with his agents. Umjida ke njengamanje uya le iIndia, if kodwa ke izinto zenzakala ngempela. Kwesezindaba eziphumile kuthiwa ke iOrlando Pirates ukuba na ukusifiso Luthuli. Usifiso Luthuli ke bafisa unyamaza umjida ke he was one of that striker asikhona vele kuOrlando Pirates, but ke singahazi silithole ithuba lokuthi ke lidlale. Isiwelele ke sikhona, siyayibuka nje isituation yakhe ubanina uLuthuli. Kungenzeka umjida ke abe on loan aye kuyona inina Isiwelele FC, but ke kuzoya ngocoach ukuthi ke ngabe uyavuma yena ukuthi ke umjida ahambe aye kuyona inina Isiwelele, because njengamanje mwasubheka Orlando Pirates right now, I think they do need strikers, and ke mwasubheka ama goals awekho currently. Zikhona istriker, but ke zikhona istriker enganikezwe ithuba njengaye nje uSifiso Luthuli. If uyanikezwe ithuba ngabe mhlambe siyakubona ushintsho phambili, yabo. Singabe salibona ushintsho olukhona, but ke is not given i-game time kuyona Orlando Pirates. Maybe ke the coach doesn't really rate indlela adlala ngakhona, so loaning him is the best option i-team into ke engayenza njengamanje. If the player wants i-game time base ngamlona, if they want to sell him they can still sell him. He is a very very good striker. He knows how to handle a ball, he knows how to shoot inside the box. Mina ke I highly rate this guy. It's just that he doesn't really get i-game time kuyona Orlando Pirates. Let's hope if he does get i-loan uzofika ayisebenzise kahle, adlale kahle, a-impresse ucoach maseke amlanda. Kwesezindaba eziphumile bafethu ke uJody February kuthiwa ke umjida he is currently training at Isiwelele. Kuthiwa ke umjida kungenzeka ayojoina Isiwelele, ajoine from iMamelodi Sundowns. Remember phela ke he is a Mamelodi Sundowns goalkeeper. Njengoba nje iMamelodi Sundowns goalkeeper, umjida he hardly gets i-game time kuyona iMamelodi Sundowns. So remember Sundowns, they took their goalkeeper who was loaned at Isiwelele ukubana Ricardo Goss. So Ricardo Goss currently he is playing at Mamelodi Sundowns, so they are going to send another goalkeeper to yona Isiwelele. Let's hope umjida mefika kuSiwelele uzokwazi ke asebenzise kahle isikhathi sakhe njengoba nje ke kuSiwelele avimbe lapha. But ke okwamanje nothing has been confirmed as yet. He is still training with the team. Kwezezindaba eziphumile, the former Orlando Pirates midfielder uSiphelo Baloni umjida ke ubonakale kwiclub yakwe Motsepe Foundation okuyiLeicester City FC. Umjida ke ufuna nje i-game time khona ke ufuna iclub ezomsayina khona. Singesazi ukuthi ke uzosayinwa noma cha, but ke ubonakale nje ejima nayo, yabo. Let's hope uzolithola naye ithuba athole iclub entsha lapha kweMotsepe, because he has been on a very very long injury umjida. Kwezezindaba eziphumile bafethu, iCape Town City namhlanje i-announce their away kit. Njengoba niyibona nje, you can tell me in the comments ukuthi ke ni rate abalikho le kit le, but mina ngokwami I highly rate ama-kit kanje, ama-kit angajwayelekile, because iCape Town City bafethu mawase uchecke ama-away kits ayo awajwayele ukuthi ke abe kanje. It's either a black kit noma ke a white kit. Njengamanje they tried something new. U-Umbro it seems like uyabathanda ngempela. What hurts me regarding iCape Town City, kumele abadlala kwi-Betway Premiership, but ke ngokungadlali kahle kwabo badlala le ku-NFD.